Top 3 Smart Drone Forever. Number 3. RG106 Pro GPS with HD 8K dual camera. It has 3-axis mechanical head, EIS electric image stabilization, 360-degree intelligent obstacle avoidance, 3000 meters flight, about 30 minutes of battery life, 5G high-speed image transmission, GPS intelligent positioning, 8K HD lens. The 3-axis mechanical stabilization gimbal do not shake the screen, shoot with confidence. And EIS electronic image stabilization intelligent anti-shake high picture quality. The main feature is 8K HD lens. The texture of the blockbuster is enlarged arbitrarily. 8K high definition ESC lens improve the clarity of the shooting picture, support 50 times sliding zoom in at will. 3000 meters flight let you enjoy the flight experience. And 5G Wi-Fi frequency back how wonderful moments watch in the real time. Number 2. M1 Pro 6K HD dual camera drone. This drone has GPS positioning, 4K ESC lens, 2-axis self-stabilizing gimbal, dual camera switching, smart follow, flying around, multifunction return home, optical flow positioning, Getzer photo, waypoint flight, brushless power, 5G HD image transmission, headless mode, PR 3D experience, 3000 meter flight, 30 minutes battery life. The triple positioning, placing stable enough, easy to control, safer. The 6K class camera plus ESC, servo plus vibration absorbing head. Adopt more anti-shake damping gimbal blazing with remote control ESC camera and GPS positioning system. 6K movie level image. The system is enough to make your creation freely. And upgrade brushless power level 7 wind resistance, flying freely. It has also more exciting humanized system, fun and flying, one-click takeoff and landing. It can be equipped with VR glasses via mobile phone, achieve impressive control. Number 1. F13 GPS 8K HD dual camera drone. It's an carbon fiber drone with 8K HD camera, 3-axis gimbal, EIS stabilization, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, high-resolution GPS positioning, electrically controlled to adjust fixed high optical flow, long life GPS pack surrounding the flight, fold the fuselage, brushless motor, 5G HD real-time transmission, repeater, smart to follow, speed switching, flashing light, parachuting, cursor recognition, vertical screenshot, time-lapse, spiral shot, how to shoot, trajectory flight, the headless mode, comet filmet and shooting auxiliary line.